friends, today we are going to learn prepositions. I am Dr. Shraddha Misra Avasthi from Mahatma Basveshwar College, Latur. First of all, let us discuss the definition of prepositions. What is meant by preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to some other part of the sentence. Prepositions can be tricky for English learners. There is no definite rule or formula for choosing a preposition. Preposition म्हणजे मराठीत शब्दयोगी अव्यय. हा असा एक शब्द आहे जो नाउन, प्रोनाउन आणि नाउन फ्रेज यांना वाक्यातील इतर भागांशी जोडतो. Preposition is the most difficult topic to understand for me. Most of the English learners at the beginning face the problems while making the use of prepositions correctly. There is no definite rule or formula for choosing a preposition. Prepositionaचे निश्चित असे कोणतेच नियम किंवा फॉर्म्युला नाहीये. The following words are used as prepositions in English. Those words are at, to, on, over, above, in, into, between, among, during, by, for, since, under, of, near, beside, before, after, through, along, across, with, without, from, etc. There are three types of prepositions. Number one is preposition of time. जे preposition टाइम दाखवण्यासाठी वापरले जातात त्यांना preposition of times म्हणतात. For example, at 2 o'clock, in the evening, since Monday. Type number 2, prepositions of place. That means the prepositions which are used before the places. These prepositions are called preposition of place. In the city, on the playground, near my home, etc. Prepositions of movements. To, towards, into, across, through. Such prepositions are used before the words suggesting movements. We face the problems in using prepositions correctly. A single preposition having different meaning. This is the main problem. Prepositionचा अचूक वापर करण्यामध्ये आपल्याला काही समस्या येतात. त्याची कारण अशी आहेत. A single preposition having different meaning. एकच preposition असतं आणि त्याचे अनेक अर्थ असतात. For example, let us take down the preposition by. By bus, बसने. By my friend, माझ्या मित्राकडून. By 2025, 2025 पर्यंत. See these examples. Here we made the use of by but with different meanings in each example. By चे तीन अर्थ झाले ने, कडून आणि पर्यंत. त्यामुळे आपल्याला थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम येतो. Second one, there are different prepositions with the same meaning. For example, on, above, over. सगळ्या तिन्ही prepositionचा अर्थ येतो च्यावर. On the table, above the valley, over the building. असा आणखी एक ग्रुप मिळतो आपल्याला. In, into, during, between and among. सगळ्यांचा अर्थ च्या आत, च्या मध्ये असा होतो. In my bag, into the river, during summer vacation, between India and Pakistan, among flowers, etc. Now let us discuss the prepositions one by one. First of all, let us discuss the rules related to at. At this preposition is used to point out a specific time. निश्चित वेळ दर्शविण्याची जेव्हाही दर्शविलेली असते त्याआधी आपण at वापरतो. I will meet you at 12 p.m. here at, this is given to you at 12 p.m. The bus will stop here at 5:45 p.m. 5:45 p.m. is here, so I have made the use of at. Rule number 2. At is used to indicate a place. This place is a small, a village, a lane, an area. There is a party at the clubhouse. There were hundreds of people at the park. We saw a baseball game at the stadium. At the stadium, at the park, at the clubhouse. That means here what happened, to indicate the place we have made the use of at. At is used to indicate an email address. Please email me at abc@defg.com. Now let us move to the next preposition, that is to. To is used to indicate the place, person or thing that someone or something moves toward or the direction of something. जेव्हा एखादी मूव्हमेंट होत असते किंवा हालचाल असते, एका ठिकाणावरून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाणं असतं, एका दिशेकडे जाणं असतं, त्यावेळेस आपण काय करतो, त्या स्थान असेल, व्यक्ती असेल, वस्तू असेल, ते दर्शविण्यासाठी टू वापरतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, I am heading to the entrance of the building. I am heading, मी निघाले, to the entrance of the building. I was standing at the entrance of the building. पण इथे माझी हालचाल आहे तिकडे जाण्याची, म्हणून I have made the use of to. The package was mailed to Mr. Kim yesterday. ते पॅकेज आम्ही मेल केलंय कुणाला, मिस्टर किम. पर्सन इज हिअर अँड मोमेंट इज देअर. ऑल ऑफ अस वेंट टू द मूवी थिएटर. आम्ही सगळे सिनेमा थिएटरमध्ये गेलो. मोमेंट इज देअर. प्लीज सेंड इट बॅक टू मी. सो बिफोर द पर्सन, प्लेस or thing that someone or something moves towards, we have made the use of to. To is used to indicate a limit or an ending point. For example, the snow was piled up to the roof. एखाद्या गोष्टीची मर्यादा किंवा शेवट दाखवण्यासाठी आपण to चा वापर करतो. The stock prices rose up to $100. To is used to indicate relationship also. नातेसंबंध दर्शविण्यासाठी देखील to चा वापर होतो. For example, this letter is very important to your admission. That means there is relationship between letter and admission. My answer to your question. Relationship between my answer and your question is in this envelope. Don't respond to every little thing in your life. In this way, we can make the use of to indicate a relationship. To is used to indicate a time or a period. For example, I work 9 to 6. 9 ते 6. I work from Monday to Friday. It is now 10 to 5. So in this way, we can make the use of to. Now let us move to of. Of चा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ होतो चा, ची, चे. Of is used for belonging to, relating to or connected with. आपला संबंध असेल, आपण कशाशी तरी निगडित असू किंवा आपले स्वतःचं काहीतरी असेल, त्यावेळेस we can make the use of of. For example, the highlight of the show is at the end. The highlight of the show. Showचा highlight. The highlight of the show is at the end. The first page of the book describes the author's profile. Don't touch it. That is the bag of my friend's sister. I always dream of being rich and famous. So in this way we can make the use of for belonging to, relating to, or connected with. Of is used to indicate reference also. काही संदर्भ असतील तर ते दर्शवण्यासाठी देखील आपण ऑफ वापरतो. I got married in the summer of 2000. Summer of 2000. This is a picture of my family. माझ्या कुटुंबाचं हे चित्र आहे. I got a discount of 10% on the purchase. Discount of 10%. 10%चं discount. Now here, of is used to indicate an amount or number. एखादी संख्या देखील आपल्याला दर्शवायची असेल तर आपण of चा वापर करतो. I drank 3 cups of milk. A large number of people gathered to protest. I had only 4 hours of sleep during the last 2 weeks. He got a perfect score of 5 on his writing assignment. That means 3 cups of milk, a large number of people, 4 hours of sleep. Next, a perfect score of 5. So in this way, amount or number is given to you, and you can make the use to indicate that you can make the use of to indicate that amount or number. Let us move to the next preposition, that is on. On is used to express a surface of something. I put an egg on the kitchen table. मी टेबलावरती एग ठेवला. The paper is on my desk. पेपर माझ्या डेस्कवर आहे. वर ह्या अर्थाने आणि आपण काय वापरत असतो, ऑन हे प्रेपोजिशन. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू स्पेसिफाय डेज अँड डेट्स. दिवस आणि डेट्स दर्शवण्यासाठी देखील आपण ऑन वापरतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द गार्बेज ट्रक कम्स ऑन वेडनेसडेज. I was born on the 14th day of June in 1988. On the 14th day, on Wednesdays, the Prime Minister will arrive in my city on Monday. On Monday, on Tuesday. In this way, we make the use of on. Next, it is used to indicate a device or machine such as a phone or computer. For example, he is on the phone ring now. She has been on the computer since this morning. My favorite movie will be on TV tonight. On is used to indicate a part of the body. शरीराच्या भागाच्या आधी पण आपण to वापरतो. The stick hit me on my shoulder. खांद्यावर मला जोरात काठी बसली. He kissed me on my cheek. माझ्या गालाचं त्यांनी चुंबन घेतलं. I wear a ring on my finger. So in this way, to indicate a part of the body, we can make the use of on. On is used to indicate the state of something. Everything in this story is on sale. The building is on fire. Let us move to over. प्रश्न आहे, on आणि over दोघांचाही अर्थ काय येतो? वर. But over is used to indicate movement from one place to another. एका ठिकाणावरून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जर जाण्याची हालचाल असेल तर over वापरला जातो. Come over to my house for dinner sometime. Could you roll over? They sent over a gift for his promotion. Over is used to indicate movement downward. खालच्या दिशेने होणाऱ्या हालचालीला देखील आपण over वापरतो. The big tree fell over on the road. Can you bend over and get the dish for me? He pushed it over the edge. It is used to indicate more than an expected number or amount. एखाद्या amount पेक्षा जास्त या अर्थाने आपल्याला सांगायचं असेल त्यावेळेसही overचा वापर केला जातो. This amount is over our prediction. Kids 12 and over can watch this movie. The phone rang for over a minute. It is also used to indicate a period of time. कालावधी दर्शवण्यासाठी देखील ओव्हरचा वापर येतो. I worked there over a year. She did not sleep there over this past month.
Thank you so much. I will be back soon with next part.